Hi everyone, my name is Sidra and I'm one of the chefs behind Cooking 101. Today I have collaborated with Scary Ammi and Opa Fries to be part of an amazing challenge, 10 ways to Opa it. So I'll be making an amazing recipe, that is Murgh Makhni loaded fries. I know it sounds amazing, right? So all you have to do is to replicate this recipe, and guess what? The person who will going to replicate it the best will going to win an amazing prize from Scary Ammi and Opa. Okay, so let me just tell you about the ingredients that we'll be using to prepare our amazing loaded fries. So the most important thing to prepare the Murgh Makhni is in fact the murgh, and we'll be using boneless chicken thighs because we want our meat to be really juicy and tender. And then we have the paste of tomatoes, onion, garlic and ginger, and then we have our butter because you know Murgh Makhni is not makhni without the butter, right? And then we have our heavy cream and some salt, some turmeric powder, some freshly cracked black pepper, some garam masala, we have some cumin powder, we have fenugreek leaves that we commonly call kasuri methi as well, and we have the chili powder. And once our butter chicken is made, we'll be using our freshly grated cheddar cheese, our freshly crumbed cottage cheese and some coriander. So first of all, we're going to start off with the preparation of our butter chicken. So here we are, amazing Desi fusion Murgh Makhni loaded fries. I'm sure that you all have loved this recipe, and I'm sure that you all will going to recreate this recipe as well, because I can't just wait to see all of your recreations, and I can't wait to see that who will going to win this.